grade. This is Ms. Stapp, and I'm about to send out an email and post a message on ManageVac that talks to you about weekly meetings that we're going to have. And I also received a question via email. Thank you very much. I will continue to post answers like this because if one of you has the question, probably many of you have the question, and this is a great way to make sure that everybody has access to the answer. So you can see the email that's going to go out in front of you. It is about upcoming meetings. We're going to conduct meetings via Zoom. And some of your other teachers might be using Zoom, so you might have already participated in a Zoom discussion. But what's going to happen is on Monday, I'm going to send out a link as well as login information. If you're using a device like a smartphone, I found it easiest to just upload the app and directly go to the discussion from there. I couldn't figure out how to do it without using the app on my phone, at least. On the PC, it might be a little different, but we're going to experiment with this when we get together on Tuesday. And I've also put that information here. On Tuesdays from 1 to 2 o'clock is when we're going to have our discussions. And for this first one, it's going to be a login, just test it out period, and you can log in anytime between 1 and 2 p.m. After that, I would like you to log in at a particular time, and I'll tell you when. This first meeting is going to be every design class all together, so you might be able to see some of your friends, and you get to see me. It'll be fun. I just received an email question about something on my plan, and that was that it said that there was a Google Slide 8, and when you went to that slideshow, you didn't actually find a Slide 8, and I'm sorry, I noticed that slide was missing the other day. So I've just adjusted the lesson plan. I appreciate any feedback about missing lesson plans or things that you have questions about, and I would be happy to respond to you just like this. Email me often. We can also conduct tutorials through Zoom, so if you have an opportunity and you want to just meet with me one-on-one about some of your assignments, let's plan that. All right. I think I've addressed everything. I will be uploading more YouTube videos when I get more questions. I hope you all have a fantastic Thursday, and I'll talk to you soon.